Hi, we're going to grocery. I am scared to walking here in the Philippines because there's so many vehicles here. So today is February 7 and it's afternoon here in the Philippines. This is where we live there. It's a condo. Oh, see? It's very it's very crazy walking here. This is not like a Germany vehicles is very careful not to hit people.
Hey, vlog.
Vlog is life. So our day 1 of vacay, I'm walking while vlogging. I hope nobody hits me. And it's very hot here. 31 degrees. Oh, see the car. Oh my god, the car is very near me. He almost hit me because I'm doing vlogging. Oh, this is Cebu, Philippines, and that is my financer. He's laughing when he heard me saying he is my financer. A small vendor here. Vlogging. Huh? Huh? Habe ich schon gemacht. Ja, bei die Frage. Siehst du, mein Gott. Du musst sehr vorsichtig sein. Die anderen Fahrer hier ist so. My God. It's egal when she hit people. Oh, it's very hot in the Philippines. Oh, beautiful. Ay, dili mo makita. Mag-vlogging ko. Hi! Daming Cebu! Iparay! Ipadidipan ako. So this is how Filipino friendly. And this is my favorite lechon in Cebu. Here, Rico Lechon. Swan. Well, we have no car here, so we need to walk. It's very hot. I think I will vlog later because I must cross the street and it's very difficult to cross the street here. So many vehicles. I'm gonna stop my vlogging first because we will cross the street. Okay, we are finished crossing the street. Wow, it's very
Dangerous.
It's very dangerous. It's very dangerous crossing the street when you don't use it. If you used to live here, then no problem. And we are walking now, going to the store. It's very hot. It's very hot here in Cebu. I think my video is enough. See you on my next video.